Hi, girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we'd equal two? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, Honey and Bears, oh. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jack.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, Han!
Hi, Han.
Kumusta ka na?
I'm fine. How about you?
Ako din, okay lang ako. Kumain ka na ba?
Not yet. Hindi pa.
Bakit?
I'm in friend's house.
Ba't ka nandyan?
I have project.
Basta ingat ka na lang ah. Ako kumain na ako. Adobo yung kinain ko. Ang sarap ka mo.
You eat again? You're such like pig. Don't worry, but you're still my lovely pig.
Ano? Tumataba na ako? Ang sexy ko kaya. Palagi mo binubuli, Han. Han, miss na kita.
I miss you too. I love you.
I love you too. Bye. Hi, my family wants to have a family trip next week to Batangas. You should come with us. I have so much plans for us, but
Sorry, I can't.
why? What do you mean you can't?
I need to go back to Korea.
Han, you don't have to joke. Come on. Please.
Sorry.
You're serious.
I need to go back to Korea. My friend. Finish it. So,
Can't you work here instead?
right. My friend wants me to work there.
Please don't go.
If you walk away, every day it'll rain, rain.
Anak, oh my goodness! Ay naman eh! Grabe! Boys! Boys! Grabe yun! Ang senior to, Han! Oy, mga anak, popcorn pa doon, no? Sige yan.
Popcorn.
Wala yun.
Please. One answer. Please.
yun.
Nay, niloloko mo na naman ako eh.
Hoy, babae!
Ano?
Balito ka.
Pa,
Lumabas ka ba dito?
ayoko man, nakakot naman.
Si Luki natawag.
Okay lang yan, ma. Hayaan mo na lang.
Saan kaya yun?
Sinok ba yun?
Oo nga. Oo nga, sino ko yun? Yo!
Oh,
Ha?
hi. Long time no see. How are you?
Oh, we're fine.
Yes, we're fine.
Oh, how are you?
I just come here last weekend. I'm fine.
Oo. Ano mo kaya?
Where's Ida?
Oh,
Saan siya?
sa bahay.
Yes,
How is she?
She's fine.
Just doing fine.
Yes. But, yes.
Can you tell her I'll be right here?
Okay. What time?
What time? Where?
Where, when?
Today. Right now.
Today.
Today?
Right
Yeah.
now?
Yeah, right now. Can you...
Okay, we'll
tell
pass the
her,
message.
Don't you worry.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll just sit here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye, nice to...
Bye.
We have to go
Bye.
now.
Look! Look, I saw Marianne and Valerie there. They say they want to meet me, but I'm sorry, I really need to go because it's raining.
Yeah, it's raining, then I bring you home.
No, my boyfriend's waiting for me. I'm sorry, I really need to go. Sorry, bye.
So... Conditioner.
Yeah?
Bye!
Tama na.
Bye!
Ang kulit mo.
Sorry na.
Kasi yung kulit mo eh.
Okay! Mahal ko, tara. Nasa tayo.
Sige, tara.
Mahal.
No, tara na.
Aida. Sasabihin ko sa'yo. Eh, napapansin ko, hindi ka naman sa'yo. Maganda ako. Kaya, makipagwalay na ako.
Seryoso ka.
Ito, seryoso na ako. Paalam.
I'm so sad.
Emil broke up with me.
Okay. Don't cry. Here. I will not leave you.
You don't know how to make kulitan?
I don't know what should I do.
You do like that, like that. Maybe it's because you never had a girlfriend.
I had, but it's fake, so I
Fake?
can't. Even it's not true, that's why it's hard to.
There's no such thing as a fake girlfriend.
No, I mean,
What's
it's
this
hard to
imaginary?
pretend it.
Hard to pretend.
Yeah.
And I know you're grossed out by me.
It looks great, baby.
Camera, camera. Camera. Oh, camera, camera. Yun lang.